Hi guys. Please like and subscribe to support our channel and share the videos with your friends. In this video, I draw an animal whose name starts with the letter A. Can you guess what animal I am drawing? Wait until the end. What animals do you know whose name starts with the letter A? The painting is being finished. You must have noticed what animal it is. You guessed it right, it's an aardvark. A. Aardvark. A. Aardvark. Help the ants gather sugar. Aardvark. A. Aardvark. A. Until the next training. Goodbye.